Lesson and quiz number 41. Articles. The use of the with proper nouns. Knowledge check. The A sentences below are wrong and the B sentences are correct. The rules tell you why. Refer to the rule numbers. 1a. In India there is a river called Ganges. Wrong. 1b. In India there is a river called the Ganges. Correct. 2a. Mrs. James works at General Hospital. Wrong. 2b. Mrs. James works at the General Hospital. Right. 3a. Republic of Singapore is in Southeast Asia. Wrong. 3b. The Republic of Singapore is in Southeast Asia. Correct. 4a. United States is a large country. Wrong. 4b. The United States is a large country. Correct. Rules. We use the before some proper nouns such as a. The names of oceans, rivers, seas, and straits. Examples: the Pacific Ocean, the River Nile, the Red Sea, the Straits of Malacca. B. The names of most buildings, landmarks, monuments, and natural wonders. Examples: the Sheraton Hotel, the Empire State Building, the Taj Mahal, the Grand Canyon. C. The names of places containing the word of. Examples: the Republic of China, the University of New South Wales. D. The names of places ending in plural s. Examples: the British Isles, the Netherlands. Remember, a proper noun is the special name given to one particular person, animal, plant, place, or thing. It begins with a capital letter. The following are some proper nouns which do not use the. A. The names of continents. Examples: Africa, Australia. B. The names of most countries. Examples: Belgium, Thailand. C. The names of most towns and cities. Examples: Tokyo, Nairobi. D. The names of streets. Examples: Orchard Road, Oxford Street. E. The names of people. Examples: Norman, Penny. Quiz time. Instructions. The quizzes are divided into A, B, C, and D. 28 quizzes. Each quiz is 10 seconds. Please pause the video if you need more time. Before you proceed, please help me to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Quiz A. Complete the blanks with the where necessary. 4 questions. Quiz B. Complete the blanks with A and the or no article. 9 questions. Quiz C. Indicate the sentences that use the correctly. 10 questions. Quiz D. Indicate which sentence is correct. 5 questions. How did you do these quizzes? Did you score 28 out of 28? Please share your score in the comments section of the YouTube. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends and subscribe for more content.